Balik na naman po ako dahil meron akong isi-share sa inyong video ngayon. Itong araw na to guys, mag-banding muna kami ng aking mga kaibigan. Meron pong magaganap ng mga swimming. So gusto ko po kayong sumama sa akin sa paglalakbay ko ngayon at para ma-share ko sa inyo itong aking gagawing video, okay? So masaya po itong gagawin namin at mukhang mag-get together muna kami. Maraming mga bata na makakasama namin ngayon dahil po ito ay banding po ng mga bata, pero sumama na po kaming mga nanay para lang magiging masaya yung banding namin ngayon, okay? So syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang kainan. Alam nyo na po, di ba? Alam nyo na yung mga pag may mga get together talaga, nandyan yung mga kainan, syempre. At alam kong masasarap po yung mga pagkain nila, okay? So, may mga dala rin po kami. Syempre, kanya-kanya rin kaming dala. Kumbaga, bring your own baon lang po. Pero, mas marami ang handa ng may-ari ng bahay. So, yun lang guys. At huwag kayong umalis dyan. At isi-share ko po sa inyo itong aking gagawing video ngayon, okay? At sana mag-enjoy rin kayo. Huwag kayong mainip at ako yung magbabalik. Andito na po kami sa sasakyan dahil waiting kami sa kasama naming nag-pick up ng pizza. So, yun ang aming dadalhin. Ay, nandito na nga. Ayan pala. Ayan na, nandiyan na. Dumating na yung yung pick up boy. Ayan. Yan yung aming share ngayong araw na to. Siyempre, excited kami dahil marami kami ngayon makakasama. Okay, so see you na lang guys at malapit na rin kami sa bahay ng friend ko.
Nakapo na siya.
I know, today.
I got 35. 35 grandma.
Sexy grandma.
Yep. Just like me. Yeah! I love myself.
Praise your own. Papuri sa sarili.
Correct.
Angat mo sarili mo.
Ipaglaban.
Ayun guys, nandito na po kami ngayon at oras na ng kainan. Kaya wala nang patagal-tagal pa.
Hindi ko pa nagpulaw para sa sarili.
Yan yung aking mga kasama. Nandoon yung iba, nakaupo sa kabilang upuan. Kaya ano ko muna kayo ngayon? Tour ko muna kayo ngayon. Yung mga bata, ilan pa lang yung mga naligo.
Wow, grabe naman stressful talaga yung trabaho mo.
Sir, sa inyo
May
guys.
sabihin.
Oh, 44. Oh, yeah. I think it was a 4.
Ang lechon, paubos na.
Americans like 4. Thank you.
Yan na lang ang natira sa lechon. O, diba? Wala na yung kanyang balat.
I'm gonna hear. Be a tip. I'm not much of a Korean or Asian food. I'm Italian.
Good chance for this second line that is minus 3.
And that we spoke to the
What specifically worked about that one?
Well, I think just getting inside and getting pucks to that. They got a great PK, some big D back there, so I think if we can get inside them and get pucks in that area, give our
May
guys
rice
some
pa ba, Sir?
Maricel,
May rice pa? Wala na yan.
I could go on and win an 18-game figure this year. What do you know about when you get that one?
Yeah, he's hard to stop.
Ako lang daw
Big
to.
body. He won't go off.
Ayan mo.
Confidence is everything in this game. He's playing with confidence right now.
Thank you.
May work ka today, ano?
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen happened to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Sige. Hindi, nagbibidyo kay ate. Nagbibidyo kay ate. Mag-ano daw sila ng football. Oo, malamig ka nga.
Papatay niya yung mami. Yung bata. Sabi niyo mami, no?
She's gonna throw the ball and Ate Maribel gonna catch it. Ah! She's gonna get it.
Isa pa, di nakuha.
Ayan, nakauwi na po kami guys. Nandito na at mukhang nag-enjoy at napagod po ako sa swimming na ginawa namin. Kaya, ayan, medyo magpapahinga muna ako ngayon. Pero bago yan, ayan, gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo, syempre sabi nga, hindi mawawala ang baon. So, ayan, may baon po talaga ako. Ito yung baon ko. Yan yung baon ko na gulaman. Ayan, nakalagay dito. Kasi favorite ko rin to. Kaya pinabaonan ako ni Jack. At syempre, may dala rin ako. Kaya libre na hapunan. So, yun lang po. Ang saya ng banding namin ngayon. Sobra. Kasi magkakasama po. Nakumpleto po yung grupo namin ngayon. Dahil yung isa namin kasama, laging busy yung sa work. Pero ngayon, kahit papano, naka-attend po siya. Kasi ginanap nga ng maaga pa. Mga 12 pa lang, nandoon na nga sila. Huli na nga kami dumating. So, yun lang po ang ma-share ko sa inyo sa araw na to. At sana'y nag-enjoy po kayo sa ginawa kong video na to. At yung hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, guys, huwag niyong kalimutan. I-subscribe niyo ako. At syempre, pindutin niyo na rin yung bell dyan para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga upcoming videos. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. Abangan niyo uli ang aking mga gagawing video. At sana'y huwag kayong magsawa. Yun lang masasabi ko. Thanks for watching. Mabuhay!